Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back to another session of One Question a Day and our channel. Today we are going to see the microscopic feature of secretory unit of parotid gland. For this question, the answer should be like this. The parotid gland is inverted pyramidal in shape, which is a pure serous salivary gland and has two parts, major divisible parts, the superficial part and the deep part. The superficial part is below the external auditory meatus, whereas the deep part is behind the ramus of mandible along the retromandibular fossa. Histology of an acini, it is a pure serous salivary gland, though in the infancy stage, they may have some mucus cells. And all these acinar cells are uniformly identical. And these acinas are outlined by a connective tissue capsules. Then all these acinas are arranged in lobes divided by prominent connective tissue septa, and acinar cells are uniform. Right? Development. This connective septa invaginates to form septa, which forms many lobes. So parotid acinas are arranged in lobes, right? And they may be interspread with fat bodies. The intercalated ducts are profusely branched, whereas striated ducts appear pale and stained under the histological sections. Each of these acinas are pyramidal in shape, and the nucleus lie along the basement membrane. Nucleus lie on the basement membrane or much nearer to the basement membrane. They have a spherical nucleus with rough endoplasmic reticulum anterior to it. They also have prominent Golgi apparatus and vesicles. At the apex of the pyramid, there are a lot of blue-colored cells called as zymogen granules, okay, which are secretory granules and responsible for containing the salivary proteins, zymogen granules. All this make it a protein secreting cells, a cell that is designed to secrete proteins. The duct, major duct of the parotid is the Stenson's duct. The secretions of parotid glands are watery. They contain more amount of amylase and high amount of proteins. Clinical significance, most importantly, inflammation by viral infections could cause mumps. Because it is watery in nature, it has less capacity to form sialolithiasis. Because it is serous in nature, usually parotid gland does not have sialolithiasis. Inflammation of parotid glands and the duct is mumps mediated by viral infection. Coxsackie. Okay. With that, we come to the end of the discussion on this question. Stay connected with this channel to learn more. Till then, learn incrementally.